Hi everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm in my Jeep. I'm going to share with you the top 5 trail snack categories you need to take with you when you're out on the trails. The first thing you need to do is get yourself a cooler. I like to carry mine in the passenger seat because I usually don't have passengers with me. But you need to make sure your cooler is secure. And I do that by buckling up my cooler. You never know when you're going to be off camber. Oh, I hate Tippy. Or flip your Jeep and you don't want the stuff tumbling around in your Jeep hitting you in the head. So be sure to buckle up your cooler. Number 5, veggies. I like veggies over fruits because when you eat fruits in your Jeep while you're off-roading, sometimes your fingers get sticky and then your steering wheel is going to get a little sticky. I like to carry baby carrots or snap peas. Number 4, proteins. You're going to want to pick something that's easy to eat while you're driving on the trails. I usually take with me some mixed nuts. Other Jeepers have suggested beef jerky, but I'm not a beef jerky kind of gal, so I'm going to stick with the nuts. Number 3, carbohydrates. This is another snack that you're going to want to take with you on the trails to keep your energy levels up, especially on those long trail rides. So I like to take with me Cheez-Its or pretzels. Number 2, sweets. Everybody's got to have their sweets. Now, I try to stay away from the chocolate because if you're out on the trails in your Jeep and it's a hot sunny day, sometimes the chocolate like melts in your fingers and then you get your steering wheel all sticky again. So I like to take with me Twizzlers. Now we're down to number 1. This item is a must try for every Jeeper who has ever gone off-roading. It is so easy to do and it's the best snack to ever have while you're out on the trails, and it tastes so yummy, and it's called a Sammie, and it's a hot Sammie. So you ask, how do I get a hot Sammie when I'm out in the middle of nowhere? Your engine is the oven. So here you go, my hot Sammie. I think it's done.
Smells good.
It what? It tastes like it has blinker fluid?
Yes.
Delicious.
There you go. My top 5 must-have trail snack categories.